So I was doing background work. For those that don't know what background work is, it's people that walk behind the scenes in all the TV and movies, and you get like $56 for like 12 hours a day, and it's not a fun process at all. None of those extras you see walking in the background are happy people.
Willie, prior to the interview, I'd done my own background research on you. I didn't even know that you were a real estate investor, actually. Of course, I knew about the comedy career. And through your IMDb, I think I saw that you had a degree in international business. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
So I got a degree in international business. I came out here to Los Angeles from St. Louis chasing a female. I didn't want anything to do with this industry. I didn't know much about it. I mean, you see TV and movies online, but I come out here, and the only way that I had a place to live was if I went to college. So I went to college. She came out here to be a model. That's what she wanted to do. She was in St. Louis. She's like, I'm going to LA. I want to model, because she modeled in all the fashion shows in St. Louis and whatever. And then she found out quickly that being a St. Louis model is completely different than being an LA model. And so I needed a place to stay, so I went to school, and I was going to go to school to be a lawyer. That was my original plan, to go to school, be a lawyer. I knew I liked performing, and the one thought to be a performer was law. You get to go up there, talk to the people, kind of manipulate a couple answers or try to skew people your way. And so while I was doing that, I ended up getting my degree. But I was on this show. I did some background work, because when you're in LA, you definitely need some money. So I was doing background work. For those that don't know what background work is, it's people that walk behind the scenes in all the TV and movies, and you get like $56 for like 12 hours a day, and it's not a fun process at all. None of those extras you see walking in the background are happy people. Anyways, so I worked background on this show called The Bernie Mac Show. And I used to have this really big afro back in the days. And the lady that played Bernie Mac's wife in the series, she's like, "You look super country. Where are you from?" And I was like, "I'm from St. Louis." And she's like, "Really? My assistant's from St. Louis." So her assistant comes over, found out we went to the same high school, different years. And Bernie Mac comes out, and he's like, "Who's this melted milk dud y'all are talking to?" Talking about me. And I was like, this dude's cool. He makes a lot of money. And then I was like, I want to be like him. I don't know what that is and how to get there, but I want that. So I found out that Bernie Mac's real name is Bernard McCullen. And my real name is William McMillan. And I was like, what? We can change our names? So I end up changing my name over to Willie Mac. And that's my start of how I got to where I am.